How to log into your Discover Bank on new phone. The very first thing that you want to do is install the application, or you can actually simply open your discover.com on any browser and get to its browser version too, right? So once you do that, you can simply tap on the login button on the top right corner. Then you'll successfully be able to get into your login page. If you're on the application, you will actually be able to get that login button right in front of you. Simply tap on it and get into your login page. Once you do that, first of all, write in your user ID, and after doing that, you can write in the password of your account. Once you write both of the credentials, all you need to do is simply tap on login, and just like that, you will successfully be able to log into your Discover Bank account in your new phone. So yeah, that's all you need to do. Like I said, firstly, get into your website, or you can install the application on your new phone, and when you do that, you will successfully be able to log into your Discover Bank account on new phone. So since this is a new device, there might also be the requirement of verifying your email address or verifying your phone number. Simply do that by the OTP and you'll be able to do it.